That nice, you know, guys. Come and add them open up nice and pretty. Hi, guys. Okay, welcome back to my channel. So, I've got my wig on, all dolled up. So now I'm gonna be going into the makeup portion. So I went off camera to do my brows, and they are neat for sure. They're neat, but they look. I don't know. I don't know if I arch them too much or make them too round at the end or whatever. I don't know. I don't know, guys. All right. Anyway, I'm gonna leave it as I want it to last for a good 12 hours. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go in with my powder. So this is the Airspun setting powder. I'm gonna just do that all over, blot that all over my face.
You can't move. Why? Mommy's sleeping. Or you need to
Lot of powder everywhere.
Okay, we're back on your destination.
Okay, guys, so I'm blotting that all over my face, and basically what this is gonna do is just to prevent any oils or prevent the amount of oils that's gonna come through from my skin, because I don't want to look oily and I don't want to be oily. And especially, guys, because I'm doing this to last for the whole day and for the whole night, and I'm gonna take it off. I'm just gonna touch it up for my evening out, my night out. So I'm just gonna blot that right into my skin. You see, that's nice. I'm not gonna put too much on my forehead as much, just a little bit. And these white bits people is I was just about to say God. Oh, me, I was a prayer now. Literally, guys, I always a prayer. But yeah, these are just from the got to be. I tried to clean it off, but it still leave a little bit of residue there. But I'm gonna get rid of that anyway. The foundation that I'm gonna use, which, guys, I haven't used this foundation in such a long time. This is the Milani Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1, the same one that I used to do this thing here. So I'm gonna use this foundation. It's as 2-in-1, so it's foundation, it's also concealer. So, and it is full coverage. And you know, guys, if you know me, I love everything full coverage. So I'm gonna put just two a bit of stick, because it takes too long to pump out. I can't bother with that right about now.
Okay.
Blend that out, guys. It does look a little bit lighter than me, but I promise you it's not. I'm gonna fix it up nice.
Gentlemen, let's see if you can pull me. No, you're too heavy. I can't pull you because what about we pull a bag?
Okay, so I'm gonna blend that in as much as possible. Don't forget the chin area, because you don't want to have two different tones, two different shades, which I've had before, which is crazy, guys. Absolutely crazy.
Come back.
So blend, guys. Blend as much as possible. And even though I do like a full coverage look, I still don't want my makeup to be too thick, like where you can scrape it off. Like, that's not what we're looking for. Blend this side as well, and then I'm gonna come back when I finish blending. All right, guys, so I went ahead and blend as much as possible. I'm gonna go in with my concealer now. Hairspun powder again. And set it all in place. Not too much, because I don't want it to be cakey. Little excess from the sponge onto my nose. I got the song turn up in the background. Yeah, got it every time, every minute, every second, every hour. Yeah. That nice, you know, guys. Come and add them open up nice and pretty. Yeah? So I'm gonna just darken up the cheeks a little bit and chisel it down. Chisel it down to perfection. Well, there's no such thing as perfection because nothing is perfect. But I'm gonna do it in a way where it looks nice. Where it looks nice. I think I do want a bit of blush. I put blush. I don't know, on my forehead up here, so I put a little bit up here so I don't know, so everything needs to be in order and everything needs to match. I don't want to put too much around the hair because you don't know, so I've got my wig and stuff. I'm gonna go ahead with the airspun powder that I used before just to kind of carve out that section. Not a lot of powder, so I'm gonna do something like that. Okay. I'm gonna do something like that on this side also. Just a little bit, not much. Not much, not much, not much. I haven't done my nose in a long time.
Yeah, that's Santa. That's my Santa. That's my Santa. Yeah, only for two.
I haven't done my nose in a long time.
It's Anna. Mommy, it's Anna.
Okay.
Anna X.
Oh, that's nice.
I think I love her.
Oh God.
I can't believe I have a crush on Anna.
Oh Lord have mercy.
I have a crush on Anna.
Okay, Papa.
I can't. What about anything your trophies? Your pistol. Look at all of this.
Guys, blending is very important. Blending is so important. I'm blending it right underneath the beginning of my brow. Okay, guys, I'm gonna just brush that out, brush a little piece of something here out.
I'm sorry. I have enough of everyone. Everyone loves me.
Okay, that is good. I'm in with the Zulu palette. The Zulu palette by Juvia's. And I'm gonna use a bit of the brown. Okay, find something to use brown. Okay, so this we're gonna use a brush here. This is brush. This is not my round thingy brush at the end. I've used brown. This is my brush for brown. And I'm gonna just dip into the brown. See it there? And I'm gonna just go over here. So the brown a little bit orangey brown though. Anyway, let's just brown. I thought it was gonna be like a darker brown, but never mind. It's okay. We can work with it. We are gonna work with it because we always work with everything. You don't know. I'm gonna put that, and you know, because I've created my eyebrows in a way where I have a lot of lid space.
Mommy, Max gave me this.
Oh, that's nice.
I can't believe this. I think he wants to be friends with me.
Is it?
I can't believe this.
Alright guys, I'm going to go in with another brush and I'm just going to blend this out a little bit. Just blend it out a little bit before I go in with something a bit darker. Is it giving me a dark shade? It's giving me a dark shade, you know. I think I used black on it before, something dark. So I'm just going to blend it out. Oh, my time is going. That's so weird. That is so weird. My time is going down. Okay, so it's alright. Okay, bring it down a little bit. That's fine. Okay, alright, guys. So I've blended it out a little bit and it looks really nice. I'm just thinking, should I leave it like that? But I do want to have a little bit of black. A little bit of black. So I'm going to go in with the Saharian palette by Juvia's Place. By Juvia's. And I'm going to use the shade Chad. I wonder if you can. Oopsie daisy. That shade there down is a Chad. And the same brush I'm going to blend it out with. I'm going to take a little bit. And I'm going to try and go into the outer section. Let me see. I wonder if you can just get a little. I don't want too much. Just a little bit. Let's do a little bit over there. So. Okay guys, so I went off camera. It's a little bit messy on the sides of the eyes. I went in with my black eyeliner pencil just to put underneath my crease. Let me crease that? No, my lower lash line. Yeah, lower lash line. Yeah, this brown is better. And these pencil, guys, I've had them for a long time. Very cheap. Because I don't have money to buy anything expensive. I'm going to line my lips really nicely. And I'm going to change it to red later. Yeah, I like this, man. Yeah. Alright, I'll be back, guys. I'll be back. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Alright, guys. So I went off camera. And I basically put some highlighter, so I put a little bit underneath my brows. on my nose as well. Normally I put it on my cupid bow, but I didn't do that because obviously I've already lined my lips. And then I've also done a little bit on my cheek, just a little bit. I think what I'm going to do as well, guys, I'm going to put a little bit in the inner tear duct, a little bit, just so I can shine. So I'm going to come back, I'm going to put my lip gloss on. And I'm just about finished, guys. I've been sitting here enjoying doing this makeup. That time is actually going. And I need to, you know, get ready in just a second to show you the final look. Alright, but don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And if you do enjoy this video, please leave comments in the section and let me know. Tell me what you like. I like it. Here the makeup is all done. I'm all done with it. It's very nice. I'm ready to go. I'm running behind time. I'm so late. I hope you do like this makeup. I managed to kind of squeeze my lashes together. There's still a little bit of the white glue on top, but I'm not going to deal with that right now because, yeah. But guys, this is the look. A little bit later, I'm going to try and see if I can change it to a red lip. Depends on how I'm feeling because this lip is looking nice. Just with the lip line and a little bit of lip gloss. And yeah, I'm good to go. I haven't sprayed it down or anything like that. And I think I should do that because, guys, as I said, I want it to last for 12 hours. So I'm going to... Okay, spray that down. I'm going to spray it up as well. Oops, just a little bit, not much, because I don't want to ruin my lace. And so guys, that's the makeup. I really do hope you like this video. Please go ahead, like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to leave comments if you do like this makeup. It's a little bit strong, but I like it because normally I do natural look, but this is lovely. I really like it. What's that right here? So okay, maybe just need to get a sponge and stop that. But yeah, all good, guys. And this is my hair and my makeup. Thank you so much for watching. All right, guys. Like, share, and subscribe. Bye.